Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the channel. Today I will be making a French breakfast, so I decided to make the French crepe. For that one we will need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, or 125 gram, a half teaspoon of salt, 2 eggs at room temperature, 1.5 cup of milk, or 310 milliliter milk, and we're gonna need 2 tablespoons of melted butter, or just regular vegetable oil, and with a little bit more for the pan for later on. So for now, I have a bowl right here, so I'm gonna mix the dry ingredients. So we're gonna need 1 cup of flour, I have 1 cup right here, and half a teaspoon of salt, so I'm gonna sift everything together. That way we have no clumps. See, so we just press it, and we're gonna set this aside. I'm gonna leave it right here for now, and I'm gonna go to my wet ingredients, which is gonna be eggs, the 2 eggs, and the milk. It's going to be 1 cup and a quarter. I'm going to whisk this together until everything is mixed well, the eggs and the milk. So the milk and the eggs are mixed, so I'm gonna add them to the flour. I'm gonna introduce it little by little and whisk at the same time. And that way we're gonna try to avoid any lumps in the mixture. Make sure and mix it really well. It is mixed really well, so now it's time to add the melted butter, or in my case I'm adding vegetable oil. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. we just mix it really well. Until the oil is mixed with the batter. And then we're going to cover it up for 30 minutes. Let it rest for 30 minutes. It is very important to let it rest. Okay, the mixture is ready, and I have my frying pan really hot. So what I'm doing is just put a little bit of oil to the base. Just be careful because it's hot. And I'm just gonna add like almost one of my and just spread it. Now it's going to be even, and let it cook. If you have a pancake or a crepe grill, it's going to be good too. I mean, you can use whatever you have available to you in your household. Make sure it doesn't burn. You can adjust the flame. If you see that it's high, you can just adjust it like to metal. In that way, the crepes, they don't burn. They are really easy to make and they're quick. And you can just flip them back and forth until you get the color that you want, which is going to be like gold brown. You see the color? It's nice and beautiful. Gold brown color. This one is done, so I'm just remove it, put it on my plate. Next, I'm gonna do the same thing. Oil the pan a little bit and add the mixture. adjust the flame as to you in that way it doesn't burn. Okay, now I'm going to prepare something that I'm going to be adding to my crepe. So I'm going to add like about 1 tablespoon of sugar, powdered sugar, which I'm going to be sipping right here because it's a little bit clumpy. We don't want it to stay clumpy, so it has to be, it has to go through the strainer. Okay, that was about 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar, and I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of cream cheese, a little bit of vanilla extract, about a teaspoon, so it's going to be like about half of my tablespoon that I have right here. And about 3 tablespoons of heavy cream. I'm going to blend everything together. Okay, the cream cheese is ready and my crepes are ready right here. And I prepared some peaches. I cut a peach and a banana, which I'm going to use them for my my crepe. So what I'm going to do is just I'm going to take one of my crepes, just put it down, get some of my mixture. Add my fruit, cover it up, so I'm going to make another one. You can use any fruit that you have. You can use strawberries, blueberries, any fruit that you want to add. That's fine. Just flip it. I'm going to put it to the side, and I'm going to finish everything. Okay, my crepes are ready. They are folded, so I'm getting my frying pan ready right here. So I'm gonna put it's heating up. So just a little bit of oil, about a tablespoon of oil. Just spread it and let it warm up really well before I put my. I'm gonna just brown them, give it a golden brown color, and I'm gonna put them on my plate. So for right now, I'm just still waiting for my frying pan to warm up. I'm checking it. So it is bubbling around my toothpick. That tells me that the oil is hot. So just put in my keep checking on it, in that way it doesn't burn from the bottom. So So if you see, it's a really nice golden color that is getting. So just gold it on both sides and put it in your plate for serving. I mean, it's okay if it's opens up, but just make sure that the content doesn't go in a frying pan.